Lot 2428D is in dog. Here we have ourselves a 1997 SEADOO GSI 717-720 engine. We're tearing this machine down into parts. Our phone number is 218-844-4968. This is a freshwater machine from Minnesota. Should not have any corrosion issues. It does run. It's got 229 hours on the machine according to the gauge. Show you that here. It doesn't beep, but it does work. There's the gauge. And mode button. RPM is 0, of course. There's the hours, 229.3. We'll do an engine compression test in another video. It does have trim. Let's see if the trim works. Trim up, trim down. So VTS trim does work. We'll be selling that piece whole too. Those are hard to find on these machines. Thanks for stopping by.